Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. Vitamin C is one of the most popular ingredients on skincare planet Earth, and probably for good reason. It has so many different benefits, from brightening the skin, giving you that instant glow up. It's a potent antioxidant to prevent oxidative stress on the skin, and over time it can fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots and discoloration. I think one of the main drawbacks when it comes to vitamin C is you have to invest a lot in terms of time before you start seeing those results. Some serums recommend waiting 3 to 12 months before you start to see those amazing turnaround, that glow up, that fading of hyperpigmentation. Whilst when it comes to skincare, consistency is key, some of us don't have a lot of patience. And so in this video, I want to share with you the fastest acting vitamin C's that'll get you that glow up before summer is out and fade your hyperpigmentation in a super short time. Sit back, relax, let's talk fast acting vitamin C's. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know your own experience with any of the products mentioned, so sound off in the comment section below. Let's get that conversation going. Whatever your thoughts on the products recommended, on vitamin C in general, if you enjoy this style of content where we do almost like a deep dive into an individual ingredient, let me know by reaching down and giving the video a thumbs up and a like. This honestly is the best way of supporting me as a content creator, because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. In today's video, I'm going to be going from what I think is the most sensitive skin compatible. Yes, you can do super quick turnarounds even if you have sensitive skin, then graduating up to some of those products I think are only for those that have zero skin sensitivity, particularly when it comes to vitamin C. I genuinely believe there is something for everyone in this video, but I would always say, instead of just reaching for the highest strength, reach for the one that best complements the individual level of skin sensitivity you have and what you want to get out of the product. Whilst these are quick acting, I don't think they can replace consistency, which I think is the most important word in skincare. So you're still going to want to use these serums on a consistent basis to achieve and then maintain the results thereon after. I've covered vitamin C, how it works and all the benefits in a recent video, which I'm going to leave a link to up there, because then I can just delve straight on into these fast acting vitamin C serums. So kicking things off with a personal favourite of mine, this is the V-Green Vitamin C Ampule. So this I'd say is the most sensitive skin friendly, and when I'm talking about these serums, they work in different ways. Some have advanced technology to deliver that quick turnaround, some will have multiple active ingredients to use alongside that vitamin C to kind of speed things up, others will just offer a range of different vitamin C's in order to achieve maximum results and minimum sensitivity. And that's where the V-Green serum really fits in. So in here, you've got a good dose of pure form vitamin C, but also a vitamin C derivative alongside it to enhance the results, but also keep that sensitivity to a minimum. Overall, it's a 20% concentration of vitamin C, but you'll find you get a lot less sensitivity than the equivalent 20% if it was just using pure form vitamin C. What I love about this as well, though, is it combines those two forms of vitamin C with Centella asiatica. So Centella calms and soothes the skin, so again, further minimizing any risk of irritation, but it also complements vitamin C to quadruple the amount of additional collagen versus just using that vitamin C alone. So vitamin C, great for hyperpigmentation, glow up and antioxidant protection, but it also boosts the levels of collagen in your skin, meaning it's great for anti-aging. If you want to get it all done in one, rather than using a vitamin C serum and a Centella separately, this is the product that I'd recommend. I do actually believe it's sensitive skin friendly. Of course, patch test thoroughly before you apply it to the full face, but because of that combination of the derivatives, pure form, the Centella, this works so quick, but doesn't really trigger too much redness, sensitivity and irritation. I've linked this below. I do also have a discount code for this as well. Save you a little 10% on your hard-earned coin. And I linked it in the description box below if you want to check out the price point wherever in the world you happen to be. But this packs a punch, delivers a great level of hydration, your Centella fix, and I just think it's something really special in the market, and V-Green knocked it out of the park when they created this one. Now, taking it up a notch, I think that V-Green one is the best when it comes to sensitive skin, but taking it up a notch in terms of performance is the Naturium Vitamin C Complex Serum. Again, a product I mention all the time on the channel for good reason. This has two different forms of vitamin C, like with that V-Green, a derivative and the pure form, but it also uses glutathione alongside that. Now, glutathione is ridiculously impossible to spell, but it's one of those magical ingredients that complements vitamin C so well. So it kind of works alongside your vitamin C to double down on the hyperpigmentation fighting benefits. So if you're using vitamin C to fade discoloration, glutathione is a must-have. Now, glutathione generally comes with a higher price point because brands know how popular it is as an ingredient. But I love the fact that Naturium haven't decided to price gouge on this. One of the first brands to use glutathione alongside vitamin C, and you can get this for $20. So it's super affordable, really well formulated for the price point that you're paying. And I think it takes that V-green serum and kicks it up a notch with a little dose of that additional glutathione, which will definitely work in super short period of time on discoloration and hyperpigmentation. Now, the next one along from Naturium is a product which, okay, isn't the most budget friendly, but hands down is one of the quickest acting vitamin C's I've ever tried. This is the Allies of Skin 20% Brightening and Firming Serum. So, like I said, not the cheapest brand, but everyone that's tried this has turned around and said, literally after one use, my skin was glowing. How does this work so quickly? And actually, it's because not only does this have a great blend of active ingredients, including glutathione that I've just fangirled about, but it also has a great delivery mechanism in here and some technology that just means that vitamin C gets to where it needs to be, works that little bit quicker, and will deliver better results in the long term. Yes, if you're consistent, you can get great results from a vitamin C on a budget. But if you're impatient, I think it's worth paying a little bit more for this serum to get that glutathione fix, to get that technology and that super quick turnaround. Honestly, I'm not lying when I say a couple of uses of this on a morning and you'll start looking in the mirror thinking, okay, my glow game definitely is a little bit more on point than it was before, and it starts to fade hyperpigmentation after just a week. So yeah, for the impatient amongst us, this is just a standout product. And I know a lot of people try this when Allies of Skin have a buy one, get one free. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but I'll leave a link again so you can check that out. But I also have a discount code. So those days where they don't have that buy one, get one free, you can still use a discount code to save 15%. So that's something at least, but yeah. Like I say, this goes a long way, and because it's in a beautiful silicone base, it's not too irritating or sensitizing on the skin, meaning again, you get a lot more benefit than maybe you expect for something that just feels so good. My final two recommendations are going to come with a big old caveat, and that's to say, these aren't for the faint of heart, for people with sensitive skin or any sensitivity to vitamin C. Normally, I would recommend people cap out the strength of their vitamin C at around 20% max. You know, studies show 20% gives you game-changing results with a lot less sensitivity. And actually, if you increase the strength, you might get a few incremental additional benefits, but they're not going to be justifiable versus the amount of additional sensitivity you're going to get, in my opinion. There are two exceptions, though, that I will make, and that's because I think they're formulated so well to minimize the risk of sensitivity. Still, however, I don't think these are going to work for anyone bar those that have super resilient skin and are looking for those quick wins. So first up, we've got the NIOD ethylated ascorbic acid network. This is a 30% concentration of pure form vitamin C, but actually a stabilized form. This is great because vitamin C oxidizes really quick. So if you've got a stabilized form in this product, then you're going to be able to get a lot more use out of it. A longer shelf life. So this is a great option for people that maybe don't get through their vitamin C serums that quickly. If you're using it a couple of times a week, I would opt for a stabilized form. So, you know, you manage to get through the whole product before it oxidizes. This also has superoxide dismutase, one of the best antioxidants on the market alongside it. So you're doubling down on the antioxidant power of that vitamin C too. Very hydrating. It gives you minimal irritation, well, versus what you expect from a 30% concentration, but it was still a little bit too much for my skin to tolerate. My skin is very sensitive to vitamin C, so I should really have expected that. But I found whilst I love the results from this, and honestly, like with the Allies of Skin one, after just a couple of uses, you notice that glow game increasing. I stepped back and went for a lower strength. If your skin tolerates vitamin C well, this definitely could be a great addition to your routine. Now, the final recommendation can be used interchangeably with that NIOD, and this is the Face Theory Regena C30 Serum. So again, 30% concentration of stabilized vitamin C, the same form as in that NIOD product. And it's also got an additional antioxidant alongside, in this case, ferulic acid. So you're going to get some additional antioxidant protection versus just using that vitamin C alone. Very similar base formulation, and so everything that I said it applied to that NIOD product also applies to this Face Theory one. It's really up to you which brand you want to go for. For me, I think the Face Theory one here in the UK is slightly cheaper, which is why I would probably reach for that over the NIOD one. But of course, the price point differs wherever in the world you are, so make sure you do that comparison and work it out. Very similar in terms of performance, super quick turnaround, but again, can't caveat this enough. If you've got sensitive skin, steer clear. In this video, hopefully I could demonstrate two things. One, if you want to get your glow up before summer is out, you absolutely can if you choose the right vitamin C. One that has some additional delivery technology in there, combines vitamin C alongside other potent actives, or just has a couple of game-changing elements to it that means you can get great results with minimum sensitivity. But I also wanted to prove that you can do that even if you have sensitive skin. If your skin is sensitive to vitamin C, opt for that V-Green Ampule or that Naturium Complex Serum. Both are really great, will give you wonderful results with the minimum risk of sensitivity. If your skin can tolerate vitamin C okay, then the Allies of Skin with that glutathione is going to be a game changer for you. And if you're one of the lucky people that has zero sensitivity to vitamin C and so can go for a super high concentration to get maximum results, the Face Theory and the NIOD ones definitely pack a punch, but you'll need to match them to your individual skin type. Wherever you are in the world, guys, just remember, this year, let us all glow to the gods. You don't always need a vitamin C in your skincare routine, but it can certainly be a way of getting a little extra glow up and radiance without necessarily having to break the bank in a lot of cases. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.